The major scale or Ionian scale is one of the most commonly used musical scales, especially in Western music. It is one of the diatonic scales. Like many musical scales, it is made up of 7 notes. The eighth duplicates the first at double its frequency so that it is called a higher octave of the same note. The simplest major scale to write is C major, the only major scale not to require sharps or flats, C D E F G A B C. The major scale had a central importance in European music, particularly in the Common Practice period and in popular music, owing to the large number of chords that can be formed from it. In Hindustani classical music it is known as bilevel. Structure. A major scale is a diatonic scale. The sequence of intervals between the notes of a major scale is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half, where whole stands for a whole tone, and half stands for a semitone. A major scale may be seen as 2 identical tetrachords separated by a whole tone. Each tetrachord consists of 2 whole tones followed by a semitone, whole, whole, half. Scale degrees. First a Eurotonic key note, second a Euro-supertonic, third a Euromediant, fourth a Euro-subdominant, fifth a Eurodominant, sixth a Euro-submediant, seventh a Euro-leading tone, eighth a Eurotonic. The circle of fifths. The circle of fifths, first described in 1728 by Johann David Heinichen in his book Der General Bass, has been used ever since as a means of illustrating the relative harmonic distance between musical keys. The numbers inside the circle show the number of sharps or flats in the key signature, with the sharp keys going clockwise, and the flat keys counterclockwise from C major. The circular arrangement depends on enharmonic relationships in the circle, usually reckoned at 6 sharps or flats for the major keys of Fa unregistered trademark equals Ga unregistered trademark and A unregistered trademark equals A unregistered trademark for minor keys. 7 sharps or flats make major keys that may be more conveniently spelled with 5 flats or sharps. Broader sense, the term major scale is also used in the names of some other scales whose first, third, and fifth degrees form a major triad. The harmonic major scale has the 6th degree lowered. Example, C D E F G or unregistered trademark BC. It differs from the harmonic minor scale only by the 3rd degree. The melodic major scale is the 5th mode of the jazz minor scale. Example, C D E F G or unregistered trademark Ba unregistered trademark C. It differs from the Ionian scale by lowering the 6th and the 7th degrees and from the natural minor scale by raising the 3rd degree. The combined scale that goes as Ionian ascending and as melodic major descending is also called melodic major, C D E F G A B C Ba unregistered trademark or unregistered trademark G F E D C. The double harmonic major scale has the 2nd and the 6th degrees lowered. Example, C Da unregistered trademark EFG or unregistered trademark BC. It is the 5th mode of the Hungarian minor scale. See also, Ionian mode, major and minor, references. Further reading, Bauer, Michael 2007. All About Key Signatures. Modesto, California, Capistrano's school website. Jones, George Thaddeus. 1974. Music Theory, The Fundamental Concepts of Tonal Music including Notation, Terminology, and Harmony. Barnes & Noble Outlines Series 137. New York, Hagerstown, San Francisco, London, Barnes & Noble. ISBN 9780604601375. Kennedy, Michael 1994. Key Signature. Oxford Dictionary of Music, 2nd edition, Associate Editor, Joyce Bourne. Oxford and New York, Oxford University Press. ISBN 0-19-869162-9. Yamaguchi, Misawa. 2006. The Complete Thesaurus of Musical Scales, Revised Edition. New York, Misawa Music Services. ISBN 0-9676353-0-6. External links, Listen to and download Harmonized Major Scale Piano MP3s, the major scale for guitar in one position, with derivation.